ready-to-press powders, that's a mixture of tungsten carbide and cobalt, all that mixed with an organic binder. Usually it's waxed paraffin, and that makes the ready-to-press powders. So the carbide powders that we produce, in fact, they are produced by a three-steps process, a weighing process step, where we simply weigh the different ingredients to get the recipe we are looking for, and then we mill all that in wet mills to homogenize, to blend, and to deagglomerate, and finally we spray dry. So we use a big piece of equipment called a spray dryer to get the granules that makes the ready-to-press powders. The composition is really very important. We have tungsten carbide, cobalt, and we can play with those ingredients. So for instance, a finer tungsten carbide will give a harder alloy, cemented carbide part, with maybe a better, higher wear resistance. On the other side, if you put more cobalt, you get a piece of carbide which is less hard but tougher. And if we want to continue to bit with more sophisticated things, if we substitute the cobalt by nickel, you can in that case get grades or alloys with a better corrosion resistance. So you see, by playing with all the raw materials, we can really change the properties and adapt the properties to the applications. I think what makes our powders better in brackets is that we are able to produce a very sustainable quality from lot to lot, and that's really a key point for our customers. And we are on top able to fine-tune, to customize, so that the quality fits exactly with our customer needs. We have two powder factories, one in the US, in West Branch, Michigan, and one in France, in Grenoble, in the Alps. And with those two factories in Europe and in the US, we are really able to serve our main markets, Europe and US, from local production facilities. And I think that's a plus for our offer.